Hi lovelies, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will be installing this crochet passion twist using the box braid illusion method. I started off by dividing my hair into two sections, and for the front section, I parted it into box braids, which I'm going to show you. For this line that I have parted, I was able to get 3 boxes, and for the first box I did the usual 3-strand braid, and for the second box I parted it into 2 and then joined the first box braid to the center of the second box braid to form the 3rd strand and then braided it all together. The same process applies for the entire front section. So what we're basically doing is braiding the first box as a 3-strand, then part the second box into 2, join the first box braid to the center of the second box and braid as one. This is what the front section looks like after braiding, and you can see that each line has several equal boxes. The back section will be braided as cornrows. All you have to do is to part each line and join the tail of the braid from the front and weave all the way down. Our main focus is actually the front, so that is why the front section has been braided as box braids and the back is just into cornrows. To install the passion twists at the back, simply place your pin underneath the weaving and place the hair through the pin. Lock the pin and pull out from the other end. After that is done, pass the other end of the hair through the white space and pull out. Now you want to repeat this process to install more twists until the entire section at the back is covered. Finally done with the back section and over to the front section, I started out by installing this twist the same way, but this time around I will be installing the twist underneath each box braid. So far, this is what the hair is looking like, and you can see that I have finished just one side and I have just one line left to finish. The purpose of using this method, especially at the front section, is to give the illusion of individual box braid and not the crochet look. For example, when someone looks at your hair, they would not be able to tell that it is crochet hair, but think that it is an actual individual box braid, which makes it more nicer. Another advantage of using this method is that it also gives you the flexibility to style the hair in any way that you want. Now, because the front already has the individual box braid look, you can style it to the left, to the right, whatever way you want to style it, and it still looks very authentic and it doesn't actually show that it is crochet hair. Before I forget, I'm going to give a shout out to Beauty with TY. I'm going to leave her YouTube channel just on the screen in case you want to check out her page. This hairstyle was inspired by her. At this point, I was done installing the hair, but I ended up installing more hair at the back area and the side, the left and the right side of the hair. I ended up using a total of 8 packs, and each pack contained 11 strands, which is a grand total of 88 strands that I have installed on my hair. And finally, this is me done with my hair, looking so peng. Yes. Right, so this is me having the hair just all the way down, and yeah, center part, and this is what it looks like. And here I also have the hair packed to one side and the other side falling just down to the right. Yeah, looking like a beauty queen. Here I have the hair packed into a bun ponytail with about 4 strands at the right side falling to the right side. Here is another ponytail. Just basically let the bun fall all the way to the back, and this is what the hair looks like. So you can see that with this method, you have the flexibility of wearing the hair in different ways. We've finally come to the end of this video, and if this video has been of help to you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I'm gonna see you guys in my next one. Bye.